Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Vora, currently working as a data science and business analyst intern at the Spark Foundation. Our fourth task is exploratory data analysis on the dataset on global terrorism. I will explain you how we can. The first, maybe the our problem statement is exploratory data analysis on dataset global terrorism. So first we find the defense analyst and we also find the security analyst. Find out the hot zone of terrorism. First, we can do the import all the libraries NumPy, Panda, Seaborn, Matplotlib. Volume is not installed. We use the dash m pip install for volume. After volume install, import the volume and from volume.plugins we import the mark cluster. We give the def equal to p.read underscore csv the datashet encoding the Latin because our CSV file is in the Latin format. After giving the dataset, we have used the df.head giving all the values. There are five values, top five values, five rows are coming. df.info find the whole information about the table. Then we describe the table dot form of df.describe. After df dot we find the correlation between how what is the correlation between these tables are. After finding df dot column, in df dot column we use the index event id column. There all the columns are coming. After that we find the US terror attacks and death injuries. The first df.n skills we give the all the codes plt.legend, plt.x level, x level database index, y level is the number of date of injuries, and plt title confirm fatalities and front end fatalities injuries for us. Plot this is the title of the plot. After plt.show we can show the you can see there is a graph is coming, there is database index and there is a number of dead or injuries. You can see there is I'm also denoted there is you can see that there is dotted line is shows the number of total confirmed fatalities in US and there is a green line which is non-fatal injuries of for US. You can see that there is a you can see that there is so that after running the value is coming after death and injuries that at all time you find by the df dot plot kind equal to scatter x is equal to none scale alpha 0.54 and red is equal figure size 20 and 40 all the figure and the x label we give the kill in y label we get wound plt dot title equal to give the kill. We use the wound scatter plot and we after that we dot give the plt dot show. Our plt dot show there are the values coming. You can see that there is a scatter plotting is show the kill and wound. After majority facts of terrorism can be low, but a small number of action to lead to many deaths and injuries. After analyze the Middle East and North East, the custom regions. Middle East data we give the DF region 10. Middle East data dot year dot plot we take the histogram plot there, and we use the color is red and font size 15. The X level is given the Y year and Y level is called frequency and title is frequency of Middle East and North Africa. The PLT dot we can show you can run there is the histogram is coming. You can see the 1970s in 2000 you can see the how was the terrorism is increasing. Data attacks with then result here how many we can past years we can result the code run the code. You can see the polt dot title. You can see there is coming is values coming. After running the code we use the filter here in equal to 97. We can take the year of 1970. Filter data we take the df filter data finding we require filter data we require filter data list. After finding we use the map equal to volume. Install the volume. There is a mark cluster and volume mark cluster. After running the code, there is a whole graph is coming in the world map, which we are taken map are coming. You can see there is map. In 1840, in 1972, for 4% of the terrorist attacks in 1970 were carried American continent, but 1970 the Middle East and North America country the center of wars. After running, total number of people killed in terror attack. There is coming kill data, df.lc and kill null values and current number of kills by accurate data. We find the number of killed by terror attack is value is coming, number of people killed by terror attack is also value is coming. Let's write what type of attacks these deaths were made of. Which type of deaths are given by the attacks. The attack equal data df.attack type 1 and attack type 2. text, a type kill p and contact data access equal to 1. If type kill give the format, there are the coming is also shown there is and kill, armed assault, assassination, bombing, explanations, attack, hijacking, hosting. All the values are coming. Type kill format data.info labels type kill format data column is convert line to list. After running all the code that PLT is show, there find the pie chart. We take the pie chart value. You can see there is a armed result. We can define all the things. Greenland after 20% and 30%. 20% is from the bombing explosion and armed result is the 38%. After running, we find the number of killed in terrific countries and running the code. Their value is also coming. You can see there. Country kill format data.info. You can see there and figure size value.rnc prompts figures.fix size 0 1 25 figure size. After labels, country kill format give all the labels and the value and we take the bar plot. There is bar plot and show the value. You can see there is a bar plot. There are all the countries, continents and values are showing. After running all the labels, we take the then we also take the bar plot. You can see there is also a bar plot. After running all the commands, country kill format, they taking the after running all the commands, there is terrorist attacks in the Middle East, East and North Africa have been sent to the federal concerns. The Middle East and North Africa are sent to the places of serious attacks. In addition, even though there is a perception that Muslims are supporters of terrorism, but Muslims are the people who are most damaged by terrorist attacks. If you took the graphics, it appears that Iraq and Pakistan are the most damaged country. All these countries are Muslim countries. Basically, we after finding or running all the data set, we find that the Afghanistan and Pakistan are the most damaged country by the terror attack. I hope are you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.